Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to cancel your ESPN Plus subscription, you've come to the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to ESPN's website by typing espn.com and hitting enter. Once you're in the ESPN homepage, make sure you're logged in into your account. You can do this by clicking on the login button. Here you need to enter your credentials. After logging in, click on your profile icon, which is also at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select ESPN subscription. This will take you to the ESPN account management page. Here you'll see your subscription details to cancel your subscription. Look for the option that says Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription. Then click on Cancel Subscription. A pop-up may appear asking you to confirm your cancellation. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Yes. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your ESPN Plus subscription. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.